What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is John Paul Investing. So today there was a little bit of turmoil in the markets. Now I wouldn't say these were major corrections, but if a stock's going to go up 20 or 30% and then fall, 20 or 30% in a matter of minutes, something's probably up. Today I'm going to go over Nano Dimension stock, but Nano Dimension was not the only company that did experience this market movement in their stock. If you like videos like this one, guys, go ahead and hit that like button, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. This way you can get notified when I make videos just like this one. And if you want real-time trade alerts when I buy or sell specific companies that I talk about here on this channel, I recommend you guys check out the link in the description to the Patreon group. A lot of us in the group are up very big right now, so if you guys want to take part of this, I highly recommend you check out the group. And right now there's an opportunity to get up to 4 free stocks. All you have to do is open a Webull account and deposit $100, and you will get up to 4 free stocks valued at least $10 a piece. This is the most risk-free play here, guys, so if you guys want free stocks, I highly recommend you check out the link as well. So in my honest opinion, I think that this market manipulation that we experienced today is still nothing to be concerned about. I will say immediately that if something is going to happen, at least what I would believe to be likely is, so this support line right here is around $13.30. So after this big rally, we had a strong pullback that we experienced, or the flash crash, what some might call it. And then this was immediately followed by a push back up to around the $15.50, $16 range. We actually experienced a high of almost $18 today, which is insane for Nano Dimension, especially considering we were talking about this company when it was only $2 or $3. But right now, if I'm going to expect some kind of reasonable price action, I imagine we will see a slow and steady move back down to around $13.50. Now, the reason I say that is because the fact that once these prices run up and then pull back very hard, it essentially resets this entire zone. Okay, so from around $13.50 to close to $18, this zone is entirely free and clear of orders right now. We did see a pretty large gap of almost $2 going into market open, and I think that because we did spike and then pull back, any orders that were in this range are now null and void. If anyone had any trailing stops, they got knocked out of the market today. If anyone had, just normal stop losses, they also got wiped out of the market today. And whoever did not have stop losses is still holding their stock. And I see this kind of as a forced exchange between people who are trying to limit their losses with stop loss orders, essentially a forced exchange from sellers to buyers. Now, if there really was market manipulation, which considering it did blanket a ton of different companies in the stock market, there's a chance it was, but it's up to the SEC to decide whether there was some nefarious activity, and they're gonna have to be able to prove it. So I won't speak on that very much at all here on this video. I just want to talk to you guys about price action and stock technicals only. Now, speaking of technicals, we were talking about a short squeeze and price discovery beyond $12.50, and it seems like we're getting a whole bunch of that now. So the fact that we did fly through this range, I believe that we are going to stay in this ballpark range between $13.50 and $18 for quite some time. I don't see any reason for us to fly beyond 18 and beyond, just because we're still waiting for Nano Dimension to actually excel with their products. I think this is around the point that we're starting to get a little bit ahead of ourselves before they actually come into fruition. So, but really considering what we just saw today, I don't think it makes sense to chase the price just because it is flying vertically. It doesn't make any sense at all to do that, in my opinion, at this point. So if you're averaging in positions right now day by day, that's probably still your best bet right now. So right now, my short-term price target is a pullback to around $13.50, and if we see a pullback to around $13.50, I do see a potential run-up beyond this $18 mark. Now, how long it'll take, I'm not exactly sure, but from solely price action, whoever did fall victim to this run-up to close to $18 and then experience a flash crash, maybe you got stopped out, or maybe you're just red right now and not sure what to do, the market is going to make it very difficult for you to hold on to your Nano Dimension stock, especially if you're a new investor. That's why I say it's very important you guys understand the companies you're investing in, because this way then you can hold your assets securely and not be scared just based on day-by-day stock trading volatility. So again, I think they're trying to shake us out of Nano Dimension, guys. So we could see a pullback to around $13.50, a slow and steady move to $13.50. And then from there, we could see another bull run to beyond $18. Those are my price targets right now. But anyways, that is all I have for this video. If you like what you're watching, please go ahead and hit that like button. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.